Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we're gonna be making sweet and sour chicken. If you watched our previous video, we mentioned that we picked 5 dishes from the Chinese buffet and we're gonna try to replicate those dishes. I hope guys we do them right, and I hope you will like them. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. This sweet and sour stir fry requires about 10 to 15 minutes prep time for chicken and vegetables. So let's get started. Start by slicing the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. The smaller the better for this recipe guys. I love using chicken breast for a lighter option, but you can also use boneless chicken thighs. Next, we're gonna move on to work on our vegetables. Guys, we're gonna listen to music while we are prepping. In a small bowl, combine corn flour, baking powder, flour, I'm using all-purpose flour guys, water and oil. Mix that up. Once the batter is nice and smooth, pour it onto the chicken. Then, using your clean hands, mix that up. Make sure that every piece is coated nicely. Once everything is mixed up, I'm gonna quickly go wash my hands. Then we're gonna head to the stove. Next, in a large wok or deep fryer, heat oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit on medium-high heat. Dip the chicken pieces in batter, then drop into oil and fry for about 1 minute per side. Guys, make sure that you do not the excess oil. Fry the chicken until golden. And the sweetness. We're gonna also go in with ketchup. It will add the flavor while creating a red color naturally. Finish with sesame seeds if desired before serving. There you have it, guys. Sweet and sour chicken. Serve over hot cooked rice if desired. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, guys. Bye. Nani for my heart.